What is going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be getting my teeth cleaned at a dentist here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So if you guys are interested in seeing the pricing, or you're interested in just kind of seeing what they offer, then stay tuned, because that's what this video is about. So let's get right to it. Hello. Hello. ¿Habla inglés? Sí. Are you guys open right now? Perfect. Do I need to set an appointment, or can I just walk in? Perfect. That'll work. That'll work for me. And I'm just gonna teeth cleaning. Cool. 12 p.m. Thanks a bunch. Bye. That was easy. I'm hurrying. That is because I got a dentist appointment, and it is about in 7 minutes, and I gotta be about halfway across town. So I'm gonna be late either way, but that's my own fault. I called the place and I said, hey, do you have an appointment? And they said, yeah, and they gave me a time. And I did not realize that that time was about 10 minutes from when I called. So unfortunately, that's my own fault, but I'm gonna be as close to that time as possible. So we're going way past Walmart, and we are going to a place called Dental Express. It is party at the Pharmacia. Say hi to me. I don't know if she knows I'm gonna rush though. She probably doesn't care. She's trying to sell me some drugs. Sell me some legal pharmaceuticals. Alright. Just don't do what I did. And make sure you know what time it is. Otherwise, you will end up like me. Hey, I went to that little convenience store. One of my old videos. Once again, sorry for the camera shake. It is, I am hurrying very, very much. I got like 3 minutes to make it across town. So, gonna be late either way, but I'd rather be the least amount late as possible, because I'd like to get my teeth cleaned today and show you guys kind of how a dental appointment works here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. For those who are thinking of coming here and getting surgery, getting dental stuff done, getting, you know, any kind of medical procedure done here, I think this video will be helpful for you. All right, so here we are. I'm about 5 minutes late. It's in the Parota Center. I don't know if you can see it way back there. The place is called Dental Express here in the Parota Center. So that's where I'm going. I'm gonna ask if I can film. If not, oh well, I'll come out and I'll say how it was. But yeah, Parota Center. Hopefully I'll get the prices for you guys. And yeah. Well, cool. So I just went through the procedure, and it was super cheap. It was 10 bucks. It was 190 pesos. Not bad at all. And that was about it. It was just a simple cleaning. Actually, I'm really glad I went, because the dentist informed me that I have 3 really tiny cavities, like really, really tiny. Because I've been seeing, I saw like a little black speck in the very back of my mouth. He goes, you know, you really probably don't even need to take care of them. They'll probably, they're so minor, but you're here in Mexico. If you really want, you could take care of them. And I go, oh, I'm definitely taking care of them. If it's $10 to get a cleaning, and I think it was 500 pesos to get a filling, so 3 times 500, so 1,500, so like 75 bucks. But for dental work, $75 is way cheaper than in America. So I'm definitely getting the 3 fillings. Not even gonna worry about it. But yeah, so I'll be back here tomorrow, and I set an appointment for 2 o'clock tomorrow. Way easier than in America. If you need to get dental work done, man, Mexico's the place to come. It was super easy. I just filled out one form, didn't have to get any x-rays or any of that. So I know when you're in America, you need to get x-rays every single time you go. It seems like every single place I go, you need to get an x-ray beforehand. And I think it's a legal requirement. Well, here in Mexico, there's a lot less regulation. And so you can just kind of walk in and get your teeth cleaned, get fillings, whatever. I set an appointment, but I was looking at the schedule, and the schedule wasn't too busy. It was kind of busy, but it wasn't too busy. So I'm sure they'd take a walk-in if you came in. But yeah, it's a great experience. My teeth feel super clean, and I'm gonna go back tomorrow, get those very minor cavities filled, and it's been a great day. All right, guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit that like button. So just to put it into perspective, guys, the big pack here at Carl's Jr. is 249 pesos. I just paid 190 pesos for a teeth cleaning, which is less than the big pack at Carl's Jr. for a doctor, for an actual licensed doctor to work on my mouth. And the dentist that I had, his name was Dr. Antonio. He was excellent. He was, he was exactly what you'd expect a doctor to be like. He was very professional. So I walked in, he goes, "Hello, Taylor, nice to meet you. I'm gonna need you to fill out some forms before we can get started." It was all in Spanish, so he's like, "This is your name, this is your address, this is your," I knew most of the words, but some of the words I didn't know, so I had to ask him about it. But he just said, "Hey, he gave me the step-by-step what I'm gonna do." He goes, "I'm gonna give you a teeth cleaning today. First I'm gonna check out your mouth, just kind of see how your overall oral hygiene's doing." And then he gave me the cleaning, and it was it was just like your regular dentist office in America. There was nothing different. Yeah, very professional, there was no problems. So I had very good work done, and afterwards he's like, "You got these 3 cavities. We can either fill them and you can be done with it, or they're pretty minor. You don't have to get them done today." And I go, "Well, I'm here in Mexico for about 10 more days, and I'm heading back to America. So let's get it done. Let's just do it, because at 75 bucks, it's not a huge expense." So let me break down the pricing for you guys, just so you kind of get an idea of how much it's gonna be total. So my cleaning was 190 pesos, which is about $10 USD. It's a little under that. Yeah, it's like $9. It's like a $9 cleaning. So I got my $9 cleaning, and then I need 3 fillings, 3 very minor fillings, which is gonna be about 75 bucks. Those are about 500 a piece. And so I just assume he's gonna do, it's gonna cost me 3 fillings. Who knows if he does a deal or not. Yeah, 3 fillings at $500 or 500 pesos a piece, which altogether, so that's gonna be about 2,000 pesos in total, which is about 100 bucks in American dollars. $100 for 3 fillings and 1 cleaning. That is a bargain. That is incredible for a licensed professional to work my mouth. And it's kind of funny too, the doctor goes, "You have excellent oral hygiene and health. I can tell you're flossing, I can tell you're brushing. You actually brush too much." He goes, "You brush too hard. Your gums are receding a bit because you're scrubbing too hard." And so I go, "Yeah, I gotta calm that down, gotta get a super soft toothbrush." He goes, "Yep, those are the things you need to do." But he goes, "Your mouth is very, very healthy." He goes, "I'm actually surprised that you have any cavities to begin with. You must have cracked your tooth or something must have happened. You must have bitten into something hard, because your oral hygiene is excellent." I go, "Well, thank you." And he goes, "Yeah." He goes, the cavities aren't, you could wait until you get back to America, because they're just developing. They're not bad at all. And really, they're not at the point where they even need work yet. But I figure I'm here, might as well get it done, might as well get it over with. And I'm, as much as I like the service that I got here, does anyone really like going to the dentist? No, nobody likes going to the dentist. Nobody likes their teeth getting drilled on and all that. So I might as well just get it over with, get it done, especially when it's cheap here and I don't have to pay with medical insurance and all that. It's a complete racket in the United States. But here in Mexico, it's just a service, you pay for it, that's why it's so cheap, and you don't have to have medical insurance or anything like that. It was great. All I did was sign a simple form, and that was it, and that was basically a liability form, and that was about it. Yeah, if you guys are planning on getting dental work, come here to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. You will save a ton of money. Also, you get to live in a beautiful beach with gorgeous hills in the background. I actually like the hills more than the beach. That's about it. Moral of the story. like this video if you like it, and if you don't, dislike it. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.